Option to download the recycling and recovery rates for interim fractions. Beside the option to see the recycling and recovery rates in the graph, please see a separate video on this. You may now download these data in an Excel file. You will find this download option at all report views with the download option, at the overview, in final, or in calculation. You may choose rates per fraction national or rates per fraction model, so with the WF-RepTool model classification. If you do not want to have the more comprehensive data on the report overview downloaded as well, unclick the overview. If you click the download button now, you will get an Excel file downloaded with 2 pages. One page for the report identification and one page with the rates per fraction, national or model as you have chosen. The page rates per fraction contains a list of all fractions achieved, from first to interim fractions to final fractions, in the order of the overview or the graph. It is the order of first fractions achieved according to the WF-RepTool code with their following fractions. The choice sort by percent of total input weight will not be taken over to the list of rates per fraction. The Excel list should be self-explaining. The number in the first column, level, describes the level where the fraction is located in the treatment tree. So level 1 stands for first fraction, number 2 stands for second level, etc. The same number as the number of asterisks in the overview. After the columns for the WF-RepTool code, the name and the internal name for the fraction, there comes a column with the weight for this fraction, followed by columns with the shares of classification: reuse, recycling, other material recovery, energy recovery, thermal disposal, and landfill disposal, and the 3 question marks, you remember, entries for which no classification of use had been given. Finally, there are columns with the rates like you might need them: the recycling rate, the preparing for use and recycling rate, and the recovery rate. You may format this Excel file to your wishes and needs. Take care. If a fraction is delivered to several acceptors, you will get the total result of both acceptors with their results. Take care too. If you want to sum up results for fractions, for example fractions several times given in the report but with different results, and to get a total result, you have to calculate the weights classified first, then sum up the weights to totals and calculate the rates again. We hope this feature helps you in your daily work. If you have any remark, please use the Contact Us option at our website and let us know.